Hello mighty people, welcome back. This video is a part of Python Pandas Beginner to Master series. Till now if you haven't watched previous Pandas videos, please watch those videos and then continue from here. In this video we are going to discuss about how to rename columns, how to convert the columns into cases like lowercase, uppercase, title, snake case, etc. So before starting the video, only a small percent of you have subscribed to our channel and most of you are watching these videos without subscribing our channel. So I request you to please subscribe our channel. If there are more subscribers to our channel will be more reachable to the more new people. Then channel grows automatically and we will make more interesting videos in this way. So please subscribe our channel. Let us start the video. First of all, on your PC, search for PyCharm and open PyCharm. If you don't know how to install PyCharm, how to create a project in a PyCharm, please watch the videos mentioned in the description box. So, it is the code I need to explain to you in this video. First of all, import pandas as PD. For that, you need to install Python pandas packages here. So, you need to install in this way and then import pandas as PD. Then import re. Re is a regular expression module. I will explain it later. First, import them. Now, put a breakpoint at the line 5. Here I am creating a data frame using Excel file. This Excel file link is mentioned in the description box. You can download that Excel file. You can paste that Excel file in the project folder. Now put a breakpoint at the line 5. In the empty screen, right click on it and click on debug. Wait for a few seconds. See, debugging is stopped at the breakpoint. Now df is created. In the threads and variables, you can find df. Click on view as data frame. See, it is a data frame I have prepared using Excel file. Now, in order to operate on columns, first of all we need to see how the columns are in this df. So, in order to see only columns, use df.columns print. See, on the console you can find these are the columns and list of strings. These are the columns of the data frame: order date, customer date, product category, quantity, unit price, payment method, shipment city, delivery status and total price. These are the columns present in this data frame. Now, there are three different approaches to print data frame columns. First one is print df.columns. Second one is in print df.columns. Here we got index of columns. Here we can see data type also, d type equal to object. If you want to see just list of columns, then you need to use df.columns.toList. This method will print columns as a list. See, these are the column names in the form of a list. To print in the same manner, we can use another approach also, which is print list of df.columns. This will also print the columns in the same way. See, here also we got the columns in the same manner. According to your convenience, you can use any of these approaches. Now, let us start case conversion of the df columns. Now, let us convert the columns into uppercase. In uppercase, all the alphabets will be in capital letters. So, here actually we can see columns are in small case. So, in order to convert them into uppercase, we need to use df.columns and here we need to use str to convert the columns into string data type. Then dot upper. This dot upper will convert the case of the columns into upper, I mean capital letters. And we need to assign this total df.columns.str.upper to df.columns. Then all the columns will be replaced with upper, I mean capital alphabets. See, it is assigned. See, on the console, we have seen capital letter, I mean uppercase columns. So, here we have observed how to convert the columns into uppercase. Now, let us see how to convert the column names into smaller case, I mean lowercase. Lowercase is nothing but all the alphabets will be in the lowercase, I mean small letters. Nothing changes except dot upper to dot lower. df.columns.str.lower. It will be assigned to df.columns. Let us print them. See, all the column names are converted to small case, I mean lower case. So in this way, you need to convert df columns into lower or upper case. And we have two more cases also. Let us go through them. Okay, convert the column headers into title case. Do you know what is meant by title case? Title case is nothing but each word is capitalized. I mean, in each word, first alphabet will be capitalized. So after str, you need to use dot title. It will convert the column names into title case. See, in each word you will find a capital letter at the beginning, I mean 0th index. So capital letter converts the 0th index of each word to uppercase. That's it. And another one is capitalize. Capitalize is nothing but it will convert only first alphabet of the total word into capital letter. First of all, let us print and we will understand what is the difference. See, in capitalize customer name, only C is converted to upper, not N in the name. But in the title case, N in the name also converted to uppercase. I mean customer name. There are two capitals, I mean starting alphabet of each word. But in the title, as it is single string, only first alphabet, I mean C in the customer name is converted to uppercase. So it is the only small difference between title and capitalize. Now let us use different approach. I mean custom conversion. For example, convert the column names into snake case. Do you know what is meant by snake case? Snake case is nothing but, for example, if there are two words separated by a space, then in snake case, spaces are replaced with underscore. So each words attached with underscore will become a snake case. Each alphabet in the snake case will be smaller in case, I mean lower case. So here I have defined a function, to snake case function. It will take a string and using regex, regular expression pattern. It is a pattern. You can ask Google, it will give a pattern to convert into snake case. So here this re.sub, it will take s as a input. This is a pattern. This pattern will observe the spaces or any separation between the words and it will replace. Here this will replace them with underscore, and then after it will get a matching pattern. After getting a matching pattern, it will replace with C. It will replace the empty space with underscore, and then it will convert into lower case. So let us see. It is a just function we have defined. Now in order to convert each column into the defined snake case function, then we will use list comprehension. If you don't know list comprehension, just ask ChatGPT, it will explain you in a clear manner. So here for call in df.columns, so it will iterate over the each column name and to snake case function call. This function call will take each column name and execute this above function, and it will return the converted column name, and that will be assigned as an element in this new list. This new list of converted columns are assigned to the df.columns. So df.columns is replaced with snake case. Now let us print it. See, previously order date was in a capitalized case. Now it is converted to order date. You didn't get any difference, right? You will observe difference whenever there is a space in between two words, and then if it is converted to snake case, you will observe the difference. But here you didn't find it, right? Don't worry, I will show you. See, in order to do so, we need to know about how to rename the column. Now let us start knowing about renaming the column. In real life scenarios, while handling with heavy data, sometimes we need to alter the name of the column headers. Like column names must be altered as we wanted. Then we will rename the column headers as we want. So let us see what is the syntax. Syntax is nothing but it takes dictionary as input. Each key will be existing column name and value must be the new column name you want to enter. Like for example, this customer name with underscore is existing column name. I don't want underscore, I want space in place of underscore. So I want to rename it. Then I will use customer underscore name. I will replace with customer space name. So here df.rename, it will take columns as a parameter. These columns must be assigned with a dictionary with key value pair. As I mentioned, key is a previous column name, value will be the new column name you want to change. So customer underscore name is a key. Customer space name is the new value I want to change the column. So let us see it with evaluation expression. Click on Alt plus F8 or right click on empty space, click on evaluate expression, or here adjacent to the threads and variables, click on three dots, click on evaluate expression, or use shortcut Alt plus F8. See, code fragment is opened. df.rename columns, it will take a dictionary, like customer underscore name was the existing column name, right? I want customer, just customer. So click on Ctrl plus Enter. See, click on view as data frame. See, customer name is replaced with customer, but let us see it is changed in the original data frame or not. See, here under threads and variables, right side you will find view as data frame. Click on it. See, it is the original data frame. Here you will find customer underscore name. So here in the current data frame, just customer is there. It indicates that column name is not changed permanently. So df.rename columns will not change permanently until and unless you mention in place. So here after the column name dictionary, you need to mention in place. In place equal to true. Now let us evaluate. See, it has written none type. Whenever it is returning a none type, it indicates that it is modified the original data frame. So in order to see the changes, click on this view as data frame. See, it is the original data frame. Here you will find df. Original data frame column name is renamed. Previously it was customer name. Now it is customer. So it is how you need to rename the columns. So I want customer underscore customer space name. See, customer underscore name is replaced with customer name. Here viewers data frame. See, here you won't find any changes because customer name column was not there because it is customer. So we need to remove customer name. Now evaluate it again. Now close this data frame, open it again. See, customer was renamed with customer space name. So it is how you need to play with the renaming of single column. Wait, we haven't completed the video. So now let us see previous one, camel case. Select this, open, evaluate expression, execute it. So it is run successfully. Open viewers data frame. See, previously customer space name was the column. Now it is converted to customer underscore name because we have used the function convert to snake case. So it is the significance of the function while renaming a column. I mean converting a column. So till now you have seen how to rename a single column, right? Now we will see how to rename multiple columns. To rename multiple columns, you need to use same syntax, but in the dictionary, you need to enter multiple key value pairs. If there are 2 columns to be replaced, then you need to enter 2 key value pairs. If there are n columns to be replaced, then you must enter n key value pairs. Just simple. See here, order date. I am changing it to date of order. Payment method to pay mode, shipment city to city. So just we need to increase the key value pairs in order to rename the columns. Let us step over, let us print. Open console. See, order date is converted to date of order, payment method is converted to pay mode, and shipment city, I mean shipping city is converted to city, just T. So it is how you need to rename multiple columns using a dictionary with many key value pairs. I mean as many as you want. So instead of mentioning the key value pair as a dictionary in the renaming syntax, you can use separate predefined dictionary to rename columns. Let us see. See, here I am using column renaming dictionary with the key value pairs of old and new column names, and we will use these variable column naming dictionary to assign to columns in renaming syntax. Let us see. See, you can observe I am reverting the column names. So let us step over. Let us print the column names. See, date of order is converted to order date. So I have reverted the column names using different approach. It is nothing but predefining the key value pairs. I mean changing column names, predefining with a variable, assigned with a dictionary, and using that dictionary name in the columns, I mean in the renaming syntax. That's it. Okay, now let us go through some more real life scenarios to rename columns, like dynamic renaming. For example, if you want to assign a small string to the column names of each and every column, then you need to use list comprehension, like for call in df.columns, and I'm using call underscore to attach with the column names. So just step over, print the column name. See, every column name is consisting with the call underscore because I have added it to everything, every column. It is like a prefix, right? Yes. Okay. Now, if you want to remove a part of column name, I mean, if you want to slice or remove or delete a part of a string in columns, just you need to use manual approaches like this. See, here I am using for call in df.columns like list comprehension. Here I am using call.replace. Call is a string. So string.replace old one and new one. Old one is call underscore. I want to remove col underscore and I want to replace it with a just empty thing. So step over, print column names. See, here you can see call is removed from each and every column name. So it is how you need to convert the column names, like case conversion, uppercase, lowercase, capitalize, title case, snake case. So it is how you need to convert the cases, and it is how you need to replace the columns like single column, multiple column using the predefined dictionary or manual approaches to renaming the column. So it is how you need to learn pandas. I hope no one will teach you this much level. Till now, if you haven't watched MongoDB videos also, so you can learn MongoDB NoSQL database from the scratch to the master level. So go through the videos in our channel and stay tuned for more videos. So if you learn something valuable from our channel, please subscribe our channel and please share these videos among your friends and your community, because this video might help any one of you. So please share this channel among your friends and community. Please subscribe our channel and stay tuned for the more videos. Thank you for watching.